morning. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, 8:15 a.m. Central Time, and we're getting a day where there's corrections happening. Silver down 86 cents. That should catch your attention, all right? Is that going to be a buying opportunity? Keep your eye on that. Gold down $13. The dollar continues its unabashed assault to the upside, crossing now with ease the 104 area and in the path laying waste to a number of currencies that are trying to hold up against it. This is a 10-point bounce already in the euro. It's been down to 78 and a half, 107.78 and a half. New Zealand currency down. Now we're waiting on Canada right now. Within about 15 minutes, the Bank of Canada is expected to announce their monetary policy. It's widely expected that they might go as much as 50 basis points on this cut and say that, the economy needs more help. Let's go to the data before I get too far. And before I do that, part of the data is my special currency report on the dollar. It goes off today on the website. So by this evening, it'll be gone in many areas of the world. You want to take a look at it? Now is the time to do it because it's been up already. Today's the third business day, and it comes off on the third business day. Go to irapstein.com. You'll see on the top left, currency report. You can move your cursor here to see an icon for that as well. As I said, let's look at the day's data that's coming in now. So we had the mortgage numbers. Well, you're sitting here at 4.25% in the 10-year note. All right, you're not going to be taking mortgages down, and with that, the index down 6.7, the purchase index down 5.1, down 8.4 in the refi. We're going to get existing home sales to come out at 9 this morning. I can't imagine they're up. I'd be very surprised. They're expecting it down to 3.84 million. The EIA petroleum stocks come out at 9:30. As I said, the Bank of Canada making a move. Federal Reserve Board, we're going to get Governor Bowman and Richmond Fed President Barkin speaking today. We'll see if they say anything about monetary policy. U.S. corporate earnings just everywhere. Right now, if you're watching CNBC, Mr. Ortberg of Boeing, the new chairman, he is speaking as we talk, and it's a long road for Boeing. And, of course, today is the vote in Boeing on whether or not the union will accept the latest offer. I hope they do. You can see so many companies coming out today. Even the CME index, we will see the CME group, rather, coming out with their information. But keep your eye on the special report. I think that you'll see that I nailed the market. Not often that happens just as you're putting the report out. Sometimes you got to give it a little time. But this one just went immediately, which is great news. In the grain market, just please understand harvest time. What's going on? Dollar strong. What's that going to do? Are people going to buy as much as they would? And pay attention to the bonds and notes. The lower they fall, and they're relentless on this break so far, the higher interest rates go. Remember, it's an inversion market. That weighs on the energy market just as well. Here you're coming down to challenge the 70 level. We'll talk about this a lot more, the upcoming election. There's just so much going on, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. Have a great trading day.